Hi, I'm Kevin, president of Concept One Pulley Systems in Cumming, Georgia. Most of our customers are custom car builders, engine builders, small business people, and we're just like you. It's a great time to be in the custom car building business. Most builds today are, kind of encompassed across the board. They're either mild builds where they're just making minor modifications, or they may be a full tube chassis, 1,000 horsepower supercharged engines. This 69 behind me here, it has a aftermarket chassis, front and rear. Has a LS3 with a supercharger. It has a GM Type 2 type pump. Puts out about 1,400 PSI. The rack, being a Ford rack, Fox body type, it tends to want in the 1,100 to 1,200 range. So therefore you have a little bit of a discrepancy in what the two things like. So you need to do some work to make those things work correctly so that the end user likes the way it feels. We want to help you dial that thing in so that your pump matches what your power steering rack or gear or whatever it might be likes and where it performs the best. We can also do hydro boost, and we have different setups with reservoirs and such. Another thing that we run into a lot is alternator output. Used to, back in the day, you throw a 100 amp alternator on there, everybody was fine, but now things have changed a lot. People are adding computers and fuel injection, electric fuel pumps, electric fans, big stereos, air ride. So there's a lot of combinations there, and that really changes how your alternator needs to be set up. We custom tailor with PowerMaster to make sure we fit your amp load and this thing performs and helps your car perform like it should. If your electrical's not right, if your power steering pump pressure and flow is not right, you're going to have issues. And we want to try to help you make sure that we get that right. We want your customer to be happy. If you're interested in becoming a dealer or an installer, go to our website. You can either fill out a little thing and we'll get in touch with you, or obviously you're welcome to call. And if you have a custom application, call us and we'll work through it with you. Thank you for watching. We know your time is valuable. We look forward to hearing from you. Hopefully we can help you out.